To first visit the VetTix website, we simply want to navigate to our browser of choice, which in my case is Google, and simply type into the search bar VetTix. As you can see, it's going to be the first link, and once you click on it, you'll be redirected to their homepage. On their homepage, you can see their latest events, testimonials, and a quick overview of what VetTix is all about. And as you can see, their main goal is to give back to those who have served by providing free tickets to concerts, sports games, theater shows, and other live events. Now that we have gone over their cause, I'll guide you on how you can create your account. The process is pretty straightforward. You simply navigate to the top right hand corner where it says sign up. You click on it. This will redirect us to their page where you will scroll down a bit, see what type of account you would like to set up for. In my case, I'm still serving, so this would be my option choice. However, there are other options, so pick the one that fits your criteria the most. Now, if we scroll down a little further, we can see that there are also other accounts as well. There is the option of creating a donation account or a US first responder account. And if we keep scrolling down, we can also read the rules. So some of the rules include you have to verify your ID through ID&Me and that you can only create one account. You could read these rules to your content, but once you're finished, you have to select your branch of service that you're currently with, or in other cases that you're a veteran of, and then simply type in your email and zip code. If you were referred, you can also put that right here. Once you finish inputting your email address and your zip code, you'll be navigated to this page where it says you have been sent an email. Now, once you get the email, this is what the email will look like. And then now you simply click on the link. This will redirect you to create your new password. Once you create your password, make sure to click on the CAPTCHA and click on the submit button. And as you can see, this will bring us to the terms of use. If you want to read it, go ahead, but you want to click on yes, and I understand and agree, and then proceed. And as you can see, this will redirect me to the page where I have to verify with ID.me. Now, to verify with ID.me, you simply click on this big green button, and this will redirect you to the ID.me homepage where you would have to enter your email and your password, or you could sign up with Google. So since I already have an account, I'm simply going to sign in. Once you log in, you'll be redirected to this page where you will have to authorize VetTix with the following information. Simply click on the big button where it says allow, then it says you'll now be returning to their main website, and thank you, your account has now been verified. You may now log in and continue. Once you create your account, you simply want to log in, and as you can see, you have to provide all the following information. Once you're done, simply click on submit. Now that you have updated your account information, you can navigate to the top and click on get tickets. This will have a pop-down menu where you can apply to currently open events, apply for discounts and coupons, get find hotels, or you could even donate tickets. So in my case, I'm going to go to currently open events. My apologies, you have to log in apparently. Log in, and then as you can see, you can search events by preferred events, open events, events in lottery, first come first serve events, or all events including closed events. Since I'm in the state of Virginia, I'm going to be searching for any events in Virginia, and for the type, I don't really care, and for the event date, I'll be choosing soonest. Now, if we click on search events, you'll see we have an Uptown Alley, Virginia Beach Taco and Margarita Festival, Hot in Here, and much more. Now let's say we want to apply to the Uptown Alley. Simply click on their event, and then you get a discount on their ticket. And you can also check your availability, see the address, delivery info, and the disclaimer. Now, once you click on request, you'll have an expiration timer right here. So when you select print at home delivery, you can get guaranteed tickets upon receipt, delivery fee payment, and no driving is required to pick up your tickets. If you want to read more, you can just keep reading. As you can see here, it says $347 for print at home package of 1 to Uptown Alley. The amount is right here, or whether you actually want to pay more or not, and then select I would like to secure my ticket. Once we press continue to payout, this will be the page that we'll be redirected to. You'll have to fill out your credit card information and simply click on place order right here. If you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.